everybody, it's Neil and welcome back to the camper again. Today I've got this. I'm going to try this. This is a microphone. It is a wireless microphone, and let's open it up here. And so here it is in here. In this we have the little wire, and it is USB-C, so it's like some somewhat newer technology. And also in the box here we have these two things, which are this one here. It comes with a USB-C connector, and then it also has this, which will connect it up to the iPhone. And then we have the lavalier microphone. So let's plug them in and see if we can do it even while we're going. See how this works. So this, and I don't know if it's going or not, but maybe it is. If it is, then I'm talking through the microphone now, and it's hard to know. So hopefully it'll be good. I'll just assume it's good, and we're going to say thumbs up because hopefully it's good. And be sure and like my video, subscribe to my channel. But okay, so this is it. This is the wireless microphone. I don't remember the brand of it, and it doesn't say it on here. It started with an M, and it had a whole lot of long string of characters for the name. But we'll see how it works. Okay, so this is it when I'm just talking into it. And now we'll try to lavalier it on. And there we go. Hi, it's Neil. I'm talking now through the lavalier microphone instead of the camera. So hopefully it sounds better. We'll see, but it seems nice and convenient, rechargeable, and seems good to me. We'll see how it is. Thanks for watching. Bye.